What's up everybody, Byron at bdiamondleather. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial video on how to thread a Cowboy 4500. When using the Cowboy machine, a lot of the time if your sewing's not going very well, your thread's getting bound up, whatever, a lot of the time it's going to be how you threaded it. So I'm going to turn this camera around and show you the proper way to thread a Cowboy 4500. So today I'm going to be doing white, because I have some saddle skirting that I need to do. And the very first one is going to be this little bobber right there. You're going to go up, bring it down, make sure it clicks into this one. And then from there, we're going to go through that little eyelet, and you're going to go around once, twice, and after you go around twice, you're going to go through this eyelet right here. And then your next step is going from the back of the machine to the front of the machine through this hole. Pull some slack out. Then you're going to just flip this little guy up right here, and it's going to go through that little guy. And then you're going to go through this eyelet. And then you have an eyelet right here, right above the needle. You're going to go through that eyelet from top to bottom. And then on all needles, there's a side that you go through, and you can tell because it has a ridge that starts at the top of the needle and goes all the way down to the needle hole or the needle eye. And then you're just going to find that, go through that. Oh. So you can't be wrapped around that back side. Glad I showed you that mistake. Okay, and then you're just going to go through the foot, and that's it. Hopefully that helps everybody. Have a rad day.